Hey guys, it's Paul Clifford here from Designrr, and we've also got Hani Mura from Repurpose.io. Hey Hani.
Hey, Paul, how are you?
Yeah, all good. We're recording this video together for you guys because essentially we work together and we just released a new integration between Designrr and Repurpose, and it's quite a powerful tool. When you put these two together, it's amazing what you can achieve. So, first of all, let me just introduce what the software does from a Designrr perspective and from a Repurpose perspective. Essentially, Designrr is a tool that can take video or audio content and it automatically transcribes it for you and allows you to insert. For example, if you're doing video, it'll allow you to insert video clips, screen grabs of the video into the transcript as it comes through. Okay, so it's quite cool. But the real benefit to you is that with a few clicks, you can publish that transcript direct to your website. And the advantage of doing that is simply that you're going to get more SEO value. You're going to get more Google traffic because before you know it, you've got a full transcript of your podcast or video file or YouTube file or whatever on the web where it's going to pick up all that organic traffic. Not only that, it looks good as well because it has all the images and everything else. And you can do things like show notes and all the usual sort of stuff. If you're doing a traditional podcast, you can do that as you edit, the transcription. And then not only that, once you've done the actual publish to your blog post, you can also create an ebook from that same content. And using our templates or one of our templates, you can turn that into an ebook and use that as a lead magnet to help grow your list. It's a great tool for anyone doing podcasts or video podcasts or YouTube videos or anything like that. And that's why it's a great fit for Repurpose. And so before we talk about how the two come together, maybe Hani, just talk a bit about Repurpose so that the viewers can understand that too.
Yeah, absolutely. And we think alike. Designrr and Repurpose have a similar motive, is to automate your content and the transcription of your content. So the Repurpose piece, the whole idea of Repurpose.io is to take a piece of content, for example, an audio podcast or a Facebook Live video or any Facebook video, and automatically convert it into different formats and publish it to multiple platforms like YouTube and Twitter and Dropbox, etc. So, for example, most people typically use Repurpose for is audio podcasters. You have an audio podcast and you want to put that episode on to YouTube and onto Facebook as videos, because we know, YouTube is a video platform. Facebook loves native video. So what we do is we instantly, but automatically, I should say, convert your audio podcast into a nice looking video. You can choose templates or design your own, and also upload it to those platforms automatically. So the whole premise here is you connect your podcast and your Facebook account, your YouTube, set it and forget it. So every time you publish a new episode to your podcast feed, Repurpose kicks in, does its magic. So the key is automation, and the key is also distribution without you having to log in and do things manually. And the other area we target is people who are doing Facebook Live. They have a live streaming show and their content lives on Facebook, but you want it also a copy on YouTube, and you also want to get on other platforms as well. So we also automate the fact that you can take a Facebook Live, upload it to YouTube automatically, so you don't need to do anything manually, download, upload. And we have some cool features like taking your Facebook Live and turning it into an audio and pushing that to your podcast platform as well. So you can go from a video into an audio, upload it to your podcast host, something like a Libsyn, and it's all done automatically. So the key is automation here, and the key is automation and distribution.
Cool. And so essentially you can take your Facebook Live and it will just automatically go out to YouTube or to the other channels that you got connected without you even having to log on. Yes. And so, and a lot of I think one of your connections is through Dropbox. So, you know, your input source can be Dropbox, or your output source can be Dropbox, or output source, output target, whatever. And so,
Right.
you know, as we were talking, you know, with Designrr, you know, one of the things you can do is import your videos from Dropbox too. So, you know, what we've done is set up this integration in between the two, so that, you know, you can literally, from a repurpose perspective, let's give an example. From Repurpose, you can publish your Facebook Live. Repurpose will take that and download it automatically, push it to YouTube, for example, but also push it to a Dropbox folder, which Designrr will automatically scan, pick up, transcribe for you, and then just send you an email saying, we're ready. Okay. So essentially, there's nothing for you to do until you get a couple of emails saying, you know, we're ready. All the work's been done. Check your transcription, and you can log into Designrr and edit it and then publish it out to your blog post or whatever. And for Designrr customers, you know, if you're looking to, you know, publish or get your Facebook Lives, you know, re-syndicated to other platforms as well, that can all be done using Repurpose. So, you know, it's a great integration, and I think a great way of benefiting, you know, our customers together. Yeah. And so, you know, what we thought we'd do for Designrr and Repurpose customers is put a kind of a special offer page together, which is all the details you'll see below. And you know, it's a discounted offer, but, you know, it's a way of, you know, you really benefiting, you know, from this integration and being able to automate, you know, so much of this workflow. It's so, you know, hands off. It's really, really cool. Anything else to add to that, Henny?
No, you nailed it. It's hands-free, and it's a direct, our softwares, the two softwares are talking together. You know, you do your content, you put it on your podcast, you put it on your Facebook, whatever it is that you do, it automatically can be sent to Designrr and can be transcribed. So that's the beauty, is that you kind of set it on both ends and forget it, and your content can go syndicated, and then your content can also get transcribed for you automatically.
Cool. All right. So, you know, we're not going to take up a huge amount of your time. So have a look at the details below. It's a great offer that we put together, and it's a way that you can, you know, benefit from this integration. And I look forward to seeing you joining us.